Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a hair tutorial featuring Dolahair.com. They sent me a 2 by 6 inch closure that I will be doing a review on for you. So this is the packaging that they sent me, super cute. And I have a lace closure that's a 2 by 6, so it goes 6 inches back, and I believe it's 14 inches long. I have a 16-inch bundle, a 18-inch bundle, and a 20-inch bundle as well. And they also sent us a flyer, so if you take a photo wearing their hair, they will send you $10 cash, and if you make a video wearing their hair, they will send you $20 cash. So yeah, and they also sent me a little pamphlet about their hair company. And then last, they sent me this pouch, and inside the pouch it has 2 silver clips, a wig comb, and a hairnet. So what I'm just going to do is braid my hair down. I'm not doing this perfect. This is a mess, just braid it down. I'm not even braiding it tight. You get your hair braided down, then the next thing you want to do is apply your plastic cap. Normally I would use a dome cap, and when you use a dome cap you don't have to do this step, but since I am using stocking caps, they are way thinner than a dome cap, so I have to use the plastic cap up under it because I do not want the glue to touch my hair at all. So here is the 2 by 6 closure. It's so that you get that deep parting, and I just love the fact that it goes back so far, because lately I've been wanting to wear middle parts, but they just don't go far back enough, and it kind of looks a little weird. So this is perfect. So I'm gluing it on, and I forgot to cut the lace off, so just make sure you cut the lace off the front. And then I'm trying to get it in the middle of my head as best as possible, using my nose as a guide, of course. And I'm just going to press down on it to let the glue seep through both of the caps. And then I'm going to take my 20-inch bundle, and I'm just measuring each track out. This is not perfect. So once the glue is on the track, I'm just going to lay it down and apply pressure. And I'm just going to continue with the same process, measuring it out, cutting it, gluing it. I like to put the glue on both ends first so that the ends are tacky and don't lift. And then I just adhere the track to the cap. And that's it. Just repeating that step, making sure I measure out the track, make sure that it is long enough. And even the ones that aren't long enough, I'm still going to put them in somewhere. You'll see where the shorter tracks, I just kind of put it in. Now all of the hair is in, and I just put a little mousse on just to kind of tame the hair, but I'm going to take the wig off and cut the little black cap that's under the lace, and then I'm just going to put the wig back on and proceed with plucking it. This does take a little time, especially if you don't bleach your knots. Bleaching the knots help the hair come out a little better, because obviously the bleach is kind of damaging it, but I didn't bleach the knots, so it is a little tougher to pluck the hair out, and it does take a little bit more time, but I'm just going to take my time and pluck this part so that it's not so harsh. I just kind of wanted to gradually fade, I guess, or like a gradient effect with the line. I don't want the line to be so harsh. As you can see, it was kind of a struggle in certain areas. It was like the hair just didn't want to pluck at all, but I took my time and tried to do as best as I can to make it look natural. So now I'm just using my wax stick to tame any flyaways on the closure. And then I'm just going to take my flat iron. It has a ceramic side, and I'm using that to flatten out the top of the closure. Next, I'm just going to take the flat iron and run it through the hair, try to get it as straight as possible. I took a little hairspray just to kind of keep the flyaways tamed and flat. I don't know, I just have to do a few little extra steps just to make sure my hair is right. Next, I'm just going to take some foundation that is the same color as my skin tone. You don't want to use nothing lighter. You want to use something that's the same color as your skin tone. I know your scalp is not the same color as your skin tone, but when it comes to these closures, it's best that you don't have a variation of colors in the top of your head. So this is what it looks like after I have plucked it and put the foundation on. I did trim like some little hairs down to kind of do some baby hairs, but I didn't really do the baby hair thing. It's just there. Now I just want to show you how flat it was even with those big old braids in my head. I took a little oil sheen just to kind of give it some shine, and here I'm just kind of showing you the quality of the hair. And then I decided I wanted to see if it would take some heat, and I just kind of put some loose curls in the front just to kind of give it like a bang look, like I had some layers or something. So I'm just checking out my hair, seeing if it's okay. I did add some got to be gel and kind of try to lay those little hairs down in the front, but yeah, so this is my final look. What do you think about the closure, y'all? I love how deep the parting is. I hate when the closure barely goes down the middle of your head. It's like sitting down there at the front. If you want to know more about the hair, just let me know in the comments and I will give you more details on the hair. Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you on my next one.